Hey guys, I have some sad news. There won't be a new taste test today. I'm gonna have a break for now. So, I hope you guys understand that. Just kidding! I'm gonna have a break! Because a break? It says have a break, so I need a break. So, today we are gonna do taste test. Kitkat. Cookies and cream. So, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. So, let's get started! Sorry about this hot news in the morning. Before. I was just joking around with you guys. But this is what it looks like. This is the Kit Kat cookies and cream. So, let's get started. So, my verdict is actually 10 out of 10, which is good. Oh, wow. Really good. So, if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and try this and tell me in the comments what verdict you guys give it. I love these chocolate balls. Like, I could eat another one. Watch. Nom, 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 nom. So it's Jonathan, sign out. Peace out, guys. See you guys back here in the future. Have a good day. And if you guys haven't seen the one episode of the time that we ate the mid Kit Kat, go check this out right here. Go do it. Or it's gonna be in the description. So it's Jonathan, signing out. Peace out, guys. See you back here in the future. Have a good day. And high five.